My everyday working account, right, that I'm writing out my
Yeah.
bills from, can that checking account be actually making any amount of interest or real money?
Yeah, there's a strategy there, Matt. And the strategy is to make sure that you're proactive with your bank to set it up correctly. A lot of bank accounts, checking accounts, don't have interest tied to them. So you're not going to get a bunch of interest, so you shouldn't have a bunch of money there. But you can have a money market account tied to that bank account. And you can set up parameters. So if you get to $200, let's say, or it goes below, it pulls money from your savings account. That money market account at the bank should get anywhere between 3 to 5% right now. So keep your $10,000 there to get some interest. Have it sweep over to your checking account. So the answer is yes, but you need to set it up and you need to be proactive and go to your bank and make sure you take care of it.